Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload fonts in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Uploading fonts in Adobe Express is a simple process, and it's a great way to personalize your designs and align them with your brand. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already and you want to start from amazing designs that you can search from the template section, just do that and upload the custom for that from there. But if you want to upload your own content, especially your own fonts, and start from scratch, just click this button. In my case, I'm going to be using this design. Basically, the text here is kind of average or normal. I wanted to something like very creative and something that pops out. For me to be able to do that, what you can do is go to the brand section. You see, we have a separate video on how to create brands or use brands here in Adobe Express that you might want to check in our channel. Please, we covered an in-depth tutorial on how to do it. Because in this section, you can upload your own fonts, right? If you go to the font right here, all right, you'll need the premium membership to use brands and libraries. Since I have already, all right, using the premium right here, going to add the fonts. You can choose from Adobe fonts or add your own. If you click that add fonts right here, for example, you can use any of these, but what I'm going to do is go to the upload section. All right, add fonts to cloud in using the Adobe applications. You can manage these later in Creative Cloud desktop. All right, you can drag and drop files, like the formats are OTF and TDF. You can add fonts, and by uploading a font, you agree to the terms and conditions. Now, one of the best site for you to search for fonts is going to be here in Adobe Fonts. All right, so you can choose from any of these amazing fonts that you can search and like. For example, I'm going to be choosing the trending right now. It is Curve Fontador, the curve one. You can view the family. All right, and from there, all you have to do is click the add to font. All right. Because what will happen is if you click this add to font, all right, go with that and you would be forwarded to the Adobe Express, and fonts are now have been added to Adobe apps. All right, click on OK, and you can now upload this font to your design. Now here, I'm going to use this one right here, and I click the apply brand. All right, and from there, once you have applied the font right here, you see, you would notice the changes. Now make sure that all of the elements have blended well together, all right? Making it a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you have the legal rights to use the font commercially, all right? Or if you don't want the Adobe fonts, you can also go to the fonts.com, right? Or the font.com, all right? All I have to do is basically same with the process earlier. Just click on the download option, download that, and save it to your computer. All right, it's very easy. Now, hover back again to the Adobe Express. Similarly to the font, all I'm going to do now is, right, click the upload button right here, right, font, and choose from the upload section right here, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.